guys, and welcome back to this summer Monday motivation clean with me. Today I have some bathroom cupboard organising, outside cleaning, gardening, and also I'm sharing with you our new breakfast area. If you didn't see my previous video, I will link that down below. Also, if you are in need of some outside patio decor inspiration, I shared with you our whole process of how we made over this area. But for now, give this video a big thumbs up if it gave you some motivation and some inspiration to start the week off right. And let's get right into the video.
was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Weeks back I showed you guys the monk's bench that we got for our breakfast area, and I mentioned about 2 tables that I was looking for this area. They did have to be small and we wanted a round one so we could move around it easily. There was one from Dunelm and then this one from M&S. So as you guys see, we chose the one from M&S in the end. This is from their loft collection, so it's got the wooden legs and then the white round top. The top is perfect, it wipes clean easily, which I love, and the size is ideal for this area. I must admit, when we first put this together, it just looked like a floating table on its own, but once we get a couple of chairs for here, I think we'll have one here and one there, then it will come together perfectly. I also managed to, you would have seen, pick up some seat pads for the bench. So the bench, if you didn't see the video a couple of weeks back, is from the Cotswolds company. It has storage underneath, which is wonderful because it fits my hoover and my mop. And then the seat pads are from Dunelm. I believe they're called the Isabel. They were really affordable as well. I did originally order another set of seat pads from Dunelm that were slightly darker on the more navy side. However, the quality wasn't the best and I think I just preferred these anyway. And then the cushions either side are from the Churchgate collection, also from Dunelm. I just think they add that lovely finishing touch to the bench. I mentioned in that video where I was deciding on the table that the other one I'd seen was a marble table in Dunelm, but we ended up deciding on this plain white one because when we get the kitchen done, the worktops are going to be marble, so we didn't want too much marble in the kitchen. The placemats are from John Lewis. They come in a pack of 2, and as well from John Lewis are the scalloped napkins. They came all together in the pack of 4. The vase, I absolutely love this detail at the top. This is from Tesco, and then I just got some gorgeous white vases to finish it off. But we're really pleased with how it's turned out, and we can't wait to actually have breakfast here and really enjoy this area with the coffee. We can work here. It's just a lovely space.